What's up guys, I hope you all are doing well. Samsung announced the Galaxy Z Fold 4 on stage at its August Galaxy Unpacked event recently. And one of the areas with the most improvements turns out to be the camera system. Simply put, the latest Galaxy Fold comes with almost the same camera setup as the one found on the Galaxy S22. As a consequence, you can definitely see improvements in the camera quality all around, as we did during our Galaxy Z Fold 4 versus Z Fold 3 comparison. First and foremost, we have a brand new 50 megapixels sensor sitting behind the main camera on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. For context, the Z Fold 3 came with a 12 megapixels main camera. This one comes with a f1.8 aperture and 1.0 micrometers pixel size. One notable difference with the previous model here is that it had a larger 1.8 micrometers pixel size, which allows for more light to be captured. That said, the new main camera uses pixel binning for its default shooting mode, which sacrifices pixel count for better low light performance. Next in line we have another new camera, the Telephoto. The megapixel count has dropped down from 12 megapixels to 10 megapixels here. Which might sound like a downgrade, but keep in mind that the Galaxy S22 series also comes with a 10 megapixels telephoto and it does quite a good job. Not to mention that the zoom has jumped from 2x to 3x. The last camera that has received an upgrade that we want to talk about is the under-display snapper situated on the main screen open position. It is now covered by a denser display layer meant to do a better job at hiding it away from the user's sight, although in our experience it is still visible. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes with a triple camera array on the back and two front-facing cameras, one on the inner display and another on the cover display. Thanks for watching till end and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel.